One fascinating event in history is the Apollo 11 mission, which marked the first successful manned mission to land on the moon. On July 20, 1969, astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first and second humans to set foot on the lunar surface, while Michael Collins orbited above in the command module. The Apollo 11 mission was a remarkable achievement of human ingenuity, determination, and collaboration. It showcased the technological prowess of the United States during the space race with the Soviet Union. Armstrong's famous words as he stepped onto the moon, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind," are etched into the annals of history. The successful landing on the moon not only fulfilled President John F. Kennedy's goal of landing a man on the moon by the end of the 1960s, but also inspired a sense of wonder and possibility for future space exploration. The Apollo 11 mission remains a symbol of human ambition, exploration, and the capability to achieve seemingly impossible feats.